How to find Instagram password and username on Android. Finding your Instagram username is super simple. Just head to the bottom right-hand corner of the screen and press your profile photo. Once you're on your profile, look at the top, it displays your username. So, all you have to do is go to your profile to figure out what your username is. Now, finding your password is a bit more tricky. Instagram doesn't openly provide your password due to security reasons. However, if you don't remember your password, I have a suggestion. Go to the 3 lines in the upper right-hand corner. Navigate to Settings and Privacy. And then click on Account Center. Go to Password and Security and you'll find an option called Saved Login. Make sure Saved Login is toggled on. This way, you won't have to remember your password to log into your account. Just log out and click on your username to log back in, and Instagram will remember everything. So, there you have it. Quick tips on finding your Instagram username and managing your password on Android. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.